So, I was sitting in the my own damn business, and these two truckers were just being just straight up assholes. And I told one, I'm gonna pretend I don't know you, and I don't care about you. And then he goes up and tells the front a bullshit lie, and I just start to come out this way. I mean, like, literally, I don't know if you guys have audio in your thing. You can check the audio, the video. And I told him straight up, I don't know you. I'm gonna pretend I don't know you, sir. And then he starts to get mad and goes to the front end because I'm talking to somebody else on the phone because I didn't want to escalate no fucking bullshit argument over some dumb shit. He just got mad because I was talking to a friend of mine on the internet or on the phone, and he just got mad because I was ignoring him. So is his other white friend. Yeah. I was ignoring him because I didn't want the situation to I used to be a volunteer firefighter, so I know how to de-escalate. And sometimes you gotta ignore the fucking idiot in the lesser situation, you know? Like shit. Heidi, buddy. Like fuck. Like shit, dude. I mean, I'll make this shit go live. I mean, because I'm not dealing with it. Coming at me as in a threatening manner, dude. Like shit. I'm not running away from the situation.